Does Rollins really care about its students? I would say definitely. It was one of the reasons why I chose to come to Rollins. In previous schools, I didn't have the same connection with my advisor. And so coming to Rollins, there's a lot of follow-up. The class sizes are smaller. I'm able to actually interact with not only just the students in the class, but I can reach out to my advisor. I can reach out to my professors, and it seems genuine, and they have a lot of resources on campus. It's helped me, especially at this point of life, that extra assistance that I need, just kind of getting back into the routine, having access to those resources, being able to ask a question without feeling like, oh, I should know this already.
Yes, Rollins really does care about their students. They care about their well-being, their mental state, and they really want to know what they can do better to make their students feel at home.
Absolutely, yes. From the professors to the faculty to even the events, they are making sure that they're inclusive to everybody, including the professional advancement students.